Okay, hi everyone. So now we're going to make an automatic archiver of Donald Trump's tweets to Arweave's permanent storage. So first we make a new Zap and we connect it to the Twitter integration. We say that the trigger should be a new user tweet. So then we have to attach it to our Twitter account. Mine's already set up. And then we put in the username of the person that we are looking at. And here it's real Donald Trump. So now Zapier pulls in some sample data so we can check that we're doing it right. We can see here there's one of Donald Trump's tweets, so that's good. We continue. And now we have to connect another step, essentially. So this is where it actually gets put to the Arweave. So we search for the Arweave integration. We say store the data, and then we set the data field here to be the text of the tweet. And we can see the sample data there to check we're doing it right again. And then we want to set the content type to plain rather than HTML so that the browser doesn't try and render the tweet as a web page, essentially. And then we put in our wallet. And of course, this wallet is empty when you guys are seeing it. And then we send a test to the Arweave network. And we can see that it's done this. Then we press finish. And now we just give it a name. And then we set it to on. So just remember here that you don't want to use a wallet that has too many tokens in it. Just put as many tokens in the wallet as you trust the Zapier integration with. Then we turn it on, and that's it, done in less than 90 seconds.